Presentation is about lightning. In order to make this presentation a lot more fun, we decided that it would be cool if we added clips of us tasing other people all throughout our video.
Oh, God!
There are 3 different types of lightning. Intracloud takes place in a single cloud. Cloud to cloud takes place between 2 clouds, and cloud to ground, which is what we are going to be talking about today, and is also known as a lightning strike, takes place between a cloud and the ground. Lightning strikes happen when there's an extreme difference between the charges in the cloud and the charges on the ground. What will happen here is that the cloud will be extremely negatively charged, while the ground will be positively charged. The negative charges will fall from the cloud to the earth, which creates electricity and results in the strike that we can see. Satellite image shows lightning almost never strikes either one of the poles, and most strikes happen closer to the equator. As you can also probably tell, lightning rarely hits the ocean and is much more common that it strikes on land. Lightning strikes travel at approximately 90,000 miles per second, or 1/3 the speed of light. Average lightning bolt measures about 1 inch wide and 5 miles long. However, there has been lightning strikes that have taken across 200 miles and have lasted for over 7 seconds. Average temperature of a lightning strike is 53,540 degrees Fahrenheit, which is over 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Although it is important to recognize that the surface of the sun is the coolest part of the sun, and that a lightning strike only takes place for a brief period of time while the sun is always burning. If you can see lightning in the area, you need to make sure that you avoid hiding under a tree or lying down. Hiding under a tree might seem safe, but trees attract lightning and often explode when struck. Also, if you lay down on the ground, if lightning strikes anywhere near you, there's a risk that the lightning will go through your body, which is much more conductive than the ground below it, which could lead to serious burn injuries or even death. In the middle of a thunderstorm and you ever feel the hairs on your body start to stand up, and there's no adequate shelter nearby, then you need to immediately assume this position. The key here is to get as low to the ground as possible without lying down, maintaining contact with the ground only with the balls of your feet. This will allow the electricity traversing through the ground to go up one leg and down the other without causing any damage to your body. You should also cover your ears with your hands to protect yourself against the thunder that is sure to follow the lightning, and also make sure that you avoid all highly conductive materials such as golf clubs or baseball bats. Contrary to popular belief, lightning often strikes the same place repeatedly, especially if it's a tall, pointed, isolated object such as the Empire State Building, which is hit an average of 23 times a year. Also, contrary to what you probably think, the safest way to survive a lightning strike is to surround yourself in a medieval suit of armor. The lightning will go through the metal that is highly conductive and into the ground without ever touching your body.
Oh my God! Hurry up! Do it!